One way to do drill hole analysis is to go through the measure ribbon and call the drill hole function. So you select one circle belonging to a drill hole, and 3DViewStation will display all parameters belonging to that drill hole. And like all other annotations and dimensions, afterwards you can reposition it. If you would like to review whether these parameters which have been calculated are correct or not, you can probably use our sectioning function and inspect the drill hole by sectioning it. Here's another example of a little bit more complex drill hole. The last one is an automatic way. So this is in the analysis ribbon, feature recognition, and then drill hole. And you just press a button and it will try to find all drill holes in a part in your assembly, whatever's on the screen, and will create all annotations belonging to them. And if it's too many, you have to reposition them as with other annotations.